Okay, so this is my Counter-Strike bomb replica. If you wanted to have like a game mode like Counter-Strike in your gelblaster match. So this is the actual on switch to power on the whole unit. Now to arm the bomb, you hit this button, or switch I should say. And it'll beep for 40 seconds just like the real game. From this point, this is the diffusal button. So if you hold that down, there you go, bombs diffuse. To reset the game, you press that back off, and it'll resume beeping again. And once it's finished, it'll just go solid on and you won't be able to defuse it anymore. The keypad here doesn't actually do anything at all, it's just for looks. Wires being cut out of there. But yeah. There you go. Now the button will not do anything. And that one would be the terrorist winning, and counter terrorist winning if they hit the button there. Now I'll just switch the whole unit off. And yeah, that's my little project.